How to fix zero views glitch on TikTok. Let's get started. First, check the server status of TikTok. For that, navigate to this one website, Down Detector, source for TikTok. Now, if you found out any server outages, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved. TikTok sometimes take a few minutes to a few hours to push your video to FYP. If you posted like 5 seconds ago, you'll need to wait. But if it's stuck at zero after several hours or a day, you can follow these steps. Clear cache for the TikTok app. For that, navigate to profile page, click on three bars. Now click on settings and privacy option. Scroll down, click on the option, free up space. Now click on clear for the cache. With this solution, your problem might be resolved. Next, uninstall TikTok or update it. So you can launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app TikTok. If you found out the option of update, you'll need to click on it and try to update the app. Next, you can report a problem. For that, launch TikTok, navigate to the profile page, click on three bars, head over to the option settings and privacy. Now click on the option report a problem, click on chat with us. Now here, you can explain about the issue and send it. With that, TikTok support team will get back to you. So these are some fixes for TikTok zero views glitch. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.